We're now getting to the end of March in 2023, and we've got 9 months left. And I'm going to show you guys how we're going to become Forex millionaires by the end of the year. And if we're going to make it there by the end of this year, we'll have the knowledge and the skills to be there by 2024. And I guarantee you we'll hit it by 2025. I'm going to show you guys exactly how we're going to get it done. As you can see over here, guys, we're not going to get these cars from working in 9 to 5, but that's completely fine. But one thing I want you guys to understand is this is not going to be an easy journey. There's going to be a lot of growing pains, but that's every reason why we should do this. And just because something is difficult, it doesn't mean you shouldn't do it. I just want to reiterate, guys, to get there in 1 year is practically impossible. Because to do this, you're going to need the perfect timing and the perfect place every single time, and that's just not going to happen. But that doesn't mean you guys should give up. By the end of this year, you'll become a profitable trader with the right foundations in place. And then for 2024 and for 2025, that's where we're going to go for the 6 figures, and then we're going to hit 7 figures. So tip number 1, guys, is we're going to have to watch the news. Because we're in a recession right now, this is going to cause a lot of economic uncertainty. What I recommend for you guys is get an economic calendar and make sure you're looking at the 2 countries that you're trading. So if you're trading GBP, JPY, you're going to want to know what's happening with both of them. A lot of information come in and just fuck up your day, and you guys don't want to be caught with your pants down. So by looking at the calendar, you're going to be avoiding the currencies that are experiencing high impact news. Step number 2 is you want to start with the right capital. Starting with $50 or $100 is nothing to begin trading. And so the reason being, guys, is that if you're going to try and 10x $100, you're going to work your ass off just to get it to 1,000. So what I'm telling you right now, guys, if you have to work extra, start with more capital because it's going to help you. So if you're having a hard time getting capital, there are other things you can do, like getting a funded account, or you can just walk around your house and start selling shit. I know it sounds ridiculous, but guys, it's the best way for you to get the capital you need. So there are ways to get good capital and become a funded trader. We'll give you up to 100K to trade with. And some of the profit splits I've seen are 90% to 10%. That means you get to keep 90% of the profits. I'm going to leave a link below to one of my favorite prop firms to get you guys funded. The next step, guys, is you need to be following one strategy and one strategy only. And the reason I'm saying this, guys, because if you go online, pull up YouTube, you'll find 100 different strategies. You can't be changing the strategy every week or every day or every month. And you can't be doing this one day and then this the other. You got to find one thing and perfect it. For the last 3 years, I've been using the EliteAlgo strategy, and I built that strategy for you guys to be able to use it too. If you guys want to learn more, check it out below. Once you guys have that strategy figured out, the next step for you guys is you need to focus on just one session and 1 or 2 different pairs. Don't take all 19 pairs and try to trade them every hour. You're going to wear yourself out. You're going to be making a lot of mistakes. Find 2 pairs you like. Take GBP, USD, for example. Once you get good at that pair, you have to master it. Once you master it, guys, add a second one in. And make sure you're only trading one session. Don't try to trade every session. I just traded the London session, guys. And the reason I'm saying this is that, again, you're going to get bogged down and distracted too much. And it's too hard to try and trade all 4 of the sessions. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you're following these tips and these steps, you're going to have the foundation built for you to become a 7-figure trader. And that's it for this video, guys. If you like this content, please be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. I want to see you guys succeed. I want to see you guys put your 9 to 5. I want to see you guys get funded. I want to see you guys drive cars like this. Make sure to ding the little bell so you guys get notified every time we post. I'm going to be posting every week.